Have you ever wanted to design your own tattoo without drawing skills? In this video, I'll show you how to create tattoo designs using Canva and AI. Welcome to AI Smart Wealth. This channel is about using AI for creativity and income. Today, I'll show you how to design tattoos using Canva. Let's enter the address below and get started. Turn your skin art vision into reality with Magic Media and other AI tattoo generator tools. Let me show you what kind of tattoo designs you can explore here. Here you can see different tattoo styles. For example, a koi fish tattoo with waves and cherry blossoms. This combination creates a dynamic and elegant design, mixing movement and softness. Or a fierce dragon tattoo with flames. This style feels powerful, bold, and full of energy. Or a compass tattoo with mountains and ocean waves. This design represents direction, balance, and a sense of journey. Now, let's create a tattoo with AI by clicking the Create a Tattoo with AI button. Now, we enter the AI program and in Magic Media, we see the prompt. You can change the prompt and adjust it to your own text. For example, we can enter the following prompt. A tattoo of sun and moon with intricate mandala patterns inside. In the Images section, if we want to create an image similar to one we see, we click on the three dots and select Generate More like this. This will create 3 more images similar to the one you selected. We then choose the image we prefer. As you can see, we can adjust the size of the image if you want. You can also edit the image. For example, change its color. Once you've made the change, it's done. If you want to apply a filter to the image, click on Edit and then apply the desired filter. To enhance the image quality, click on Image Upscaler. Before improving the quality, you will see a before and after comparison. Once we click on Image Upscaler, the quality is enhanced. To save the file, click on the Share button, then select Download, choose the desired file format, such as PNG, and download the file. Now, we enter the AI program in the Magic Media section, which is located in the Apps section on the left side of the screen. We see the prompt. You can change the prompt and adjust it to your own text. For example, we can enter the following prompt. After finalizing your design, you can download the file. Click on the Download button and choose the desired format to save it. And that's how you can easily design tattoos using Canva and AI tools. What kind of tattoo design would you create using this method? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tutorials. Thanks for watching.